So how do you adjust the iPad lock screen clock? So let's talk about it. But before we get started, ensure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel because I have so many tutorials which I really believe you're going to find helpful. Now, the first step would be to check out the settings and go to the general and software update and make sure you have the latest iPadOS 26 because some changes only work in the latest version. Now you can swipe down on your home screen to access the control center just like that, and you can hold down on it to perform some changes. So you go to the edit mode, you can tap on customize like that, and now the clock icon gets the ability to be like resized from these like different sizes. It works in all of the increments in between, so you can make it go really large. Like, this is one of the cool things about the iPadOS 26 as well as iOS 26. But not only that, you can tap on it like this. You can change the font from the 6 available fonts, and some of them can also change the thickness, right? So you have a lot of combinations to cycle through. Then we also have the color options, like you can make it go specific with one color. Depends on also on your background because it will try to like make sure it looks good on your particular wallpaper. But you can also turn on or off the glass versus the solid effect. So in the again iPadOS 26, we now have the glass design, so you can turn it off or keep it turned on, depends on how you like it, but it is all customizable right here. And the last thing you can do is to tap on the globe icon right there, which will make you or let you switch between like these different clock modes. So you literally have like these like different numbers, which you may or may not understand, but you have the ability to change to those. But that's it, and that's everything which you can do to change the clock. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.